The modelizeIT system offers flexible mechanisms to display diagrams. If we click Custom, we will see a number of options available to configure the diagrams that we would like to see. And conveniently, a set of default options are saved and available for us to view and edit. For example, if we look at the default view called Architecture, we will see that there are certain options that are currently configured to be used to display diagrams using the architecture profile. Let us edit that view now. Let's say that as part of the default view, we also want to see the port numbers for the connections. If we click Save and request the diagram, we will see the port numbers displayed here for all the connections. Let us go back and edit the same default profile. We no longer want to see the port numbers for the connections by default in the architecture diagrams. We will save it and request the default architecture diagram. Now, we can see that the port numbers are no longer displayed. In the same interface where we can request custom views and edit profiles, we can also create new profiles by selecting New and giving them a name here. Or we can also delete existing profiles by pressing Delete.